Yep, let's render this, and I will just select this over here, out, test. So here we will use Solaris to render it, and let's just organize this. I don't want to use this. Yeah, everything looks cool, and I want to keep it bit red. Awesome. Here I can just use law network to use that Solaris, but I can go for this one as well. It's similar only, and currently this is pinned, so let me just, yeah, it will open new viewport, and this is how it looks. And here let me import that. Just go over here, so import, and next I want camera as well, so I'll just import the camera. Let me just play this, so you can see here something is visible. Let me rename this dust, and I want to load that character as well. Let me load, copy this, I want velocity, paste. Yep, so here I can just use karma, and so it's ready to render now. And I have to make sure that I select this camera, and let's just render this. Yep, so my favorite frame is 60, and I want to screenshot this. So for that I can just use snap. Cool. Next we will work on lighting.